Hi, in this tutorial we are going to work on space claim. So in this tutorial this is interface introduction. So we will start with geometry. Right click, new space claim geometry. So in this space claim, like whatever operation we will do, that will not be saved. That sketch will not be saved. Only solid body will be there. So if you see here, this is a quick access toolbar, and this is ribbon toolbar, and this is a structure toolbar, and this is option toolbar, and this is property toolbar, and down this is status bar. So here status bar you can see spin, pan, zoom, selection filter, all these things are there. And this is graphics window. So from here we can also change this customize quick access toolbar, and in file we can save open. So in ribbon toolbar you can see a number of parts are there, number of tabs are there, like sketch. In the sketch we can create circle, line, rectangle, and constraints are there, modify also are there. In design, number of things, pull, move, fill, many things are there. So these will be for creating 3D body. Display, for displaying assembly is also there. For measurement, separate tab is there. So like repair, prepare, workbench, details. So these kind of tabs will be there. Sheet metal is also there. So all these tabs we will study in future tutorials. So thank you for watching.